Hi, I'm Chris, an engineer with Duke Energy One. I specialize in helping our large energy customers find the right solutions to meet their business needs and keep operations running smoothly. Welcome to another episode of Engineer versus Algorithm, where we put my industry know-how to the test against an AI chatbot. Good to see you, Al.
Welcome back.
Here's today's question. When do I need to consider replacing energy infrastructure at my site?
Replacing energy infrastructure, switchgear, transformers, panels, backup systems, etc. is a major decision, but waiting too long can cause serious risks and unexpected costs.
Replacing infrastructure like switchgear is a major undertaking. Its lifespan really depends on things like environment and usage, and when it goes down, it can mean some serious downtime for a facility.
Factors to consider: age, performance problems, growth or changing operations, visible deterioration, energy efficiency upgrades, compliance and safety standards, hard to find replacement parts, repeated maintenance costs. Best practices dictate you should begin the assessment at 20 to 25 years. Create a replacement plan by 25 to 30 years. Prioritize critical systems first: generators, switchgear, UPS systems, and transformers tied to essential loads.
Not bad, Al, but there's something big missing here. Big upgrades like that should happen when you're also changing your load needs, upgrading other equipment, or bringing in a new generator. Gotta say, I'm impressed, Al, but some things you can only learn by being on the front lines with the customers. I'll give you a solid attempt on this one.
Glad I can help.
Remember, your backup generator is part of a larger system. It's important to take a comprehensive approach to maintaining it. Get information you can trust from those you know, like me, and reach out to our expert energy services teams if you've got questions. We'll see you next time.